How to download invoices on Facebook Ads Manager. So first you want to open up your browser and search for Facebook Ad Manager and click on the first link. Now make sure you're signed in with your Facebook or Meta account and select the profile or the account that you want to use. And now you want to click on Go to Ads Manager right here. Now from this bar on the left side, you want to hover over it and select Billing and Payments. And on the top here, make sure you're signed into the correct Ad Manager account or Facebook Ad Manager account. If not, you can switch it by selecting a different account from here. Now under Payments Activity, you should find all your payments and invoices on Facebook. Now, if you do have any invoices right here, you should be able to see a link like this or a hypertext like this, which says View All Payment Activities. Now, when you click on it, it should take you to a page where you can see all the payments that you have made. You can also select from a specific date, for example, last month or last 3 months, to display all the invoices in that period. And you should find a download button on the right hand side. You can simply click on it to download. So you'll simply need to click on that download button on the right hand side and it should download the specific invoice that you have chose as a PDF file, which you can open up and see in your Google browser. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.